no snow.
Winters in Illinois aren't really the best. There's no snow usually. Cold temperatures like today. It's 1 degree right now. And anytime it does snow, it's usually melted the very next day. So, yeah, I think it's time to change that. Definitely looks like I beat them up here. We are at Hatcher's Pass now, walking up a road basically. You get to an upper parking lot because we got it blocked off at the lower. We should hopefully hit some powder. We've been hitting Paradise and 16-mile runs with the car. We drop us off at the top, meet them down at the bottom. Now we're walking to do some powder runs hopefully. Hike up here soon. We'll hit it. My brother and his wife are still down there trying to get their skis going. So we'll meet them up here at the upper parking lot. Hopefully have a good day on it. It's nice and sunny out here, that's for sure. Definitely looks like I beat them up here. I don't see them anywhere. I guess their snowboard for the win. Their skier shortcut did not help them at all. Oh, there they are. There they come. Skier shortcut, yeah. Oh, I'm freaking beat right now. Gonna get a little bit better view when we get to the top and stuff. Get up here to the top and then hopefully you can see it. Right up in here, we're going up there. So, get there, have a good ride down. Well, we just made it as high as we were going. We got other things to get to, so we gotta get going. Looks like somebody's sled did not make it. Alright guys, we're back from Alaska. We found our snow, went snowboarding, hung out with the family. Even we got dog sledding in and didn't expect that. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, hit the bell so you know when I post a video. Thanks for watching. Peace.